Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher in mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. So let's start. Our today's topic is write in words part 3. In part 1 and part 2 we have learned from 1 to 10 in words. Today we will learn inshallah from 11 to 15. Our lecture number is 8 and you have a homework. Your homework number is also 8. The question is written here already. Write in words from 11 to 15. I repeat, write in words from 11 to 15. We'll write down the 5 words here, 5 numbers in word in these boxes. In the first box, we should write down the number 11 in words. So what is the spelling of 11? It's E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. I repeat, it's E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. After 11, the number comes which is 12. And the spelling of 12 is T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. After 12, the number comes which is 13. The spelling of 13 is T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. After 13, the number comes which is 14. The spelling of 14 is F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. I repeat, dear students, it's F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. And after 14, the number comes which is 15. I'm creating the box because these spellings are a little bigger than the before ones. Now this is 15. It's F-I-F, F-I-F-T-E-E-N, or you can say T-E-E-N, 15. Dear students, I am going to repeat all the spellings here. The first number is 11. It's E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Then it's 12. It's T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. After that, the number comes which is 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. Or you can say T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. Like this way, the next number is 14. The spelling of 14 is F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. And the last number is 15, which is spelling is F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. I hope, dear students, you have understood how to write down in words. Your homework number is 8 is same. This means that which is your CW in the YouTube class, you must write down all of these numbers in word in your assigned HW copy. You must submit your assigned HW copy in your HW copy. You should write down the number. You must mention the HW number in your left top corner of your HW copy, and you can submit all of your HW in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.